Welcome to World Review Zone's and other videos. Throw pillows are the finishing touch to any room and give your living space some personality. Decorative throw pillows bring pattern, color, and texture to your home, and you can get creative with them. There are many products available on Amazon to choose best indoor throw pillows cover, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices, to help you make a perfect decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best indoor throw pillows cover from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video and stay till the end of this video. Number 1. Anickal Chartreuse Green Pillow Covers. Looking to add a touch of farmhouse charm to your home? Our Anickal Chartreuse Green Pillow Covers are the perfect way to do just that. Available in a variety of colors and sizes, you can choose the style that best suits your needs. Made with 100% polyester, these covers are soft and comfortable, and feature an invisible zipper enclosure for a seamless look. Plus, they're easy to clean. Just remove the insert and machine wash cold separately. Mix and match with a variety of colors to add a touch of rustic charm to your home. These covers are made from polyester and a polyester blend, making them soft and comfortable. The triple button closure adds an extra layer of security and style. Number 2. Roomsoar Decorative Boho Throw Pillow Covers. Looking for a way to add a little personality and pizzazz to your home decor? Look no further than Roomsoar's Decorative Boho Throw Pillow Covers. These beautiful pillow covers are made of durable, stain-proof suede textured soft fabric polyester, and come in a set of 4. They're also skin-friendly, easy to clean, and maintain their first-day quality for years. So whether you're looking to add a little bit of whimsy to your living room or want to spruce up your bedroom, these pillow covers are the perfect way to do it. Making your home look its best doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. With Roomsoar's Decorative Boho Throw Pillow Covers, you can easily update any room in your house quickly and inexpensively. These stylish and high-quality pillow covers come in a variety of colors and patterns to match any decor, and they're even machine washable for easy care. Plus, they make a great gift for friends, family, and coworkers. So don't wait any longer, order your Roomsoar Decorative Boho Throw Pillow Covers today. Number 3. Miley Hypoallergenic Premium Pillow Inserts. Looking for a quality pillow insert that is both soft and supportive? Look no further than Miley Hypoallergenic Premium Pillow Inserts. Our inserts are filled with 7D hypoallergenic fiber, ensuring a good night's sleep for everyone. The polyester fabric cover is comfortable and durable, while also being skin-friendly. And our inserts are versatile, perfect for use in bedding, on the couch, or anywhere you need a little extra support. So don't go another night without the perfect pillow insert. Choose Miley Hypoallergenic Premium Pillow Inserts. These 4 18x18-inch pillow inserts are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any room. The inserts come vacuum sealed, but immediately begin to fluff up when you open the package, so there's no need to wait for them to expand to their proper size. For best results, tap them gently to fully fluff up or put them in the dryer for 5 to 10 minutes. They're also recommended for use with 16x16-inch pillow covers for the best possible experience. Give yourself the gift of comfort and style with the Miley Hypoallergenic Premium Pillows. Number 4. Tankpot Heavy Lined Linen Cushion Cover. Looking for a quality pillow cover that will last? Look no further than Tankpot. Our heavy-lined linen cushion covers are made of 100% polyester and handcrafted from heavy full-lined linen fabric. They're perfect for adding comfort and style to any room. Plus, the super smooth invisible zipper closure makes them easy to insert and wash. With a variety of sizes and colors to choose from, our heavy-lined linen cushion covers are perfect for any room in your house. The durable fabric is tough enough to withstand outdoor use, while the soft lining provides comfort and insulation. Best of all, we offer a lifetime guarantee on all our products, so you can be sure you're getting the best quality possible. Number 5. Dezene Square Throw Pillow Covers. Introducing Dezene's couch pillowcases. These amazing velvet throw pillowcases will add style and luxury to your home decor. The rich, solid color throw pillow covers are made of durable poly velvet and are comfortable and super soft to the touch. They're grade A, high-class pillows that will spruce up any area in your home. The high-quality cushion covers are sure to add a touch of luxury to your living space. Made with a beautiful fabric that won't fade, our cushion covers are easy to care for and machine washable. Best of all, they're disassemble free, so you can change the color whenever you want. Neutral colors and the sleek design make these throw pillowcases perfect for any room. They're vacuum sealed for freshness and have a zipper closure. You can machine wash them on a mild cycle with cold water and tumble dry them on low. Spot cleaning is also an option. They're great for adding a pop of color to any sofa or seating area, and they'll make your home look more put together. They're also perfect for layering with other pillows or using as accents on area rugs. This is an easy way to update your home decor for spring. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.